Who decides when you log in your company's computer, the login will be successful or the login will be denied? So the topic for today is, what is Active Directory? So my dear friend, Active Directory is a service by Microsoft. Now let's try to understand this with an example. So what is done in the company? We take up a server, a Windows server, like Windows Server operating system like 2025. And then we install a service known as the Active Directory domain service. And we get a central database. And in this central database, all the company's employees are created. User 1, user 2, all company employees are created here. Now, all this company's computer are there, 100, 200,000, 10,000, 50,000 lakhs. All the company computers are there. And this user 1, when it logs in into any company's computer, this computer will send the username and the password to this server on which the Active Directory service is installed. And this server will check here in its central database. Is the username correct? Is the password correct? If the username and the password is correct, the user is allowed to log in. So what is the job of Active Directory service? Authentication. Authentication is happening. User is allowed to log in. And after login, what the user is authorized to do? For example, this is a normal user. This user cannot install any software in this company's computer. So the user is not authorized to install any software. But if there is any admin user, this user after login can install any kind of software. So this user is not authorized. This user is authorized. So what is the main purpose of Active Directory? Authentication and authorization from a central place. So let's try to understand authentication and authorization with a simple example, daily life example. We all go to ATMs, we swipe the card, okay? And when we swipe the card, it is asking us what? A PIN number, right? So you enter the PIN number, you enter the correct PIN number, so your authentication is successful. If you enter the wrong PIN number, your authentication fails. And then after that, if your authentication is successful, then what you are authorized? Are you authorized to take 1 lakh rupees from your bank card today? No, you're authorized to take only, for example, daily 20,000 rupees cash from your ATM. So my dear friend, I hope you got an understanding. Let's go back to the interview question. So Active Directory is a service by Microsoft. See, it is not a server. It is a service. And this service is installed in the server. So we require a server operating system like 2025. And inside that, the Active Directory domain service is installed. Can I take a Windows 10, Windows 11 and install 2025? No, you cannot. Install the Active Directory domain service. No, you cannot do this. Okay. So you require a server operating system, and in that you have to install the Active Directory domain service. Then Active Directory manages users, computers, and resources from one central place. Centralization is the most important thing of Active Directory. It provides Active Directory service provides authentication and authorization. Okay. So I hope you got an understanding of what is Active Directory. For more information, my dear friend, what you can do is you can go to our website, attariclasses.in, and you can click on the course and you can click on the Windows Server Hybrid course, and you can get more information about the Windows Server Hybrid course. So bye.